Good morning, guys. I was kind of in a rush in the morning, so I couldn't really say properly good morning. But I went on the electric unicycle over to the welfare office, and I was immediately sent over here to the old folks' home to do some slave labor. But thankfully, there's not really a lot to do. I already did half of the stuff I need to do today in the first 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Just some sweeping of dead leaves, which is really kind of like a brutal analogy to an old folks home. It's just kind of the old leaves being swept together. I don't know, that's not necessarily how I see it, but that's definitely how society treats them, right? And it's so fucked up, man. Like I got these this keypad thing, this chip that I can put up to these things, so I can access these areas that the residents here are not allowed to access themselves. It's like, dude, these people have been alive for more than twice as long as I have. Why can't they go where they want? Like, come on now. This seems fucked up. Like, why are the children ruling shit? Because to them we're basically children, man. Like when they were 40, 50, we'd just been shat out, you know? It's kind of brutal, but yeah. Just chilling here with a girl from Myanmar, who's also here in Constantia. My eye is healing up pretty nicely, I'd say. This eyelid over here. Yeah, I'm just taking it slow. Allegedly, we're gonna get off early today because there's gonna be a snowstorm. Well, at least that's how they phrase it. It's probably just gonna snow a little bit, but hey, I don't mind going home early. I pulled an all-nighter, actually. I was up all night watching, what was it called? Gotta find the name. It was called Wonder Egg Priority. I just binged it because the first, 8 episodes or so were really good, really promising, and the animation, amazing. I've never seen anyone animate hair as well as that animated. Really beautiful, really interesting, but then they just absolutely phoned in the last 3 episodes. It was really dumb, really dumb. I was about to give it a 4 out of 5 stars, but I think I'm gonna have to give it a 3 because, man, that ending was just, it wasn't even a bad ending, it was just a really poorly written and executed ending. They just, all the themes and the stuff that they had been exploring and criticizing and stuff, they just went in the complete opposite direction. It just seemed like an absolute phone-in. So I can't recommend that anime unless you're just watching it for the visuals, and who are watching anime for the visuals. It's about the stories, right? But yeah, just gotta be here for, I imagine, a couple more hours, and then I'm gonna go back home. Probably sleep. Alright guys, I'm all done. Going back home to get some sleep. Holy shit guys, I went way too fast. I haven't gone that fast in a while. But at least because of the knobby tire on the electric unicycle, I can tell how fast I'm going by the sound. It was starting to sound a little fast, and I looked down, I was like, damn. Yeah, I'm home now, tired as shit. I think I'm just gonna sleep now. I do prefer being awake during the night, actually. I think all people have 2 different sides to them. The side that only comes out during the daytime, and then the more emotional, contemplative side that only comes out at night. It's a little more melancholic, it's a little more emotional and deep in thought. You also tend to do other things to entertain yourself during the nighttime rather than the daytime. And also eating habits seem different during night rather than day. I've just always been a night owl, guys. Let's sleep the day away. You guys remember that guy I met on the train station who gave me 100 krona when I was picking up bottles? Who canceled a bunch of times around Christmas, and then he actually showed up and let me borrow his MacBook for the online study. Well, when I met him, he was with another guy who I'm now riding with, and it seems that these 2 guys are actually serious. They were talking about starting up this what do you even call it? I'm not even sure, but basically they're gonna receive like grants from the government and banks and such to essentially fund what, at least to me, seems to be uh, like a lighting company for events, like programmed lighting for, I don't know, parties or some kind of events. And because I'm such a generalist, I'm like, yeah, basically a generalist. They seem very interested in getting me in on it too. They need all kinds of help with all kinds of things. They're good with some of them, but not all of them. I'm good with electricity and websites. They're not really, but they're good at other things. But yeah, I got a bunch of the different skills needed, and they're talking about getting me in on this too. That shit would be fucking amazing. If I could get in on this shit and at least get the equivalent of what I'd be getting for going to welfare, I would definitely take that up in a heartbeat. These guys are nice people, and I just hate welfare, man. Like, I really don't want to be on welfare. I'm only on welfare because I'm forced to stay in an apartment. Honestly, if it wasn't for that, I wouldn't touch welfare. I don't want their fucking money. I don't want to show up in their buildings that all smell the same. They smell like headache and misery. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's hope this turns into something. I'm just writing with them now, explaining some of the skills I got. They seem very keen on getting me in on this. I mean, the other guy, he already mentioned it a few times, but didn't seem that serious to me. Now this other guy, he sent me some documents. It seems like it's something that's gonna be starting pretty soon. And the documents, like basically, what do you even call it? Like a business plan, or yeah, something along the lines of a business plan. He just sent me that, and it's looking really good, really professional. And the other guy has experience with getting funding from the government. So this is actually this is looking really nice, man. Like, if this turns into something, I'm not even trying to make money here. If I can just make enough to sustain myself, man, I'd be happy. Still haven't slept though. I just boiled some water for ramen, and yeah, I was about to go to sleep, but then he started writing me. Now I'm just texting him. So itadakimasu. Alright, so that guy I was talking about, he's coming over. He's gonna pick up the MacBook, and he's gonna hand me a Windows laptop instead. Pretty nice. I missed having Windows. Let's fucking go. Man, I like these guys. They're pretty chill. They're definitely operating in a hippie tempo, but hey, I used to as well. I get it. I think they're younger than me. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the supermarket, get some Coke. I'm gonna make sushi for this guy. And yeah, I think it's just Coke. He asked me to buy toothpaste. I don't know if he's joking. Guys, winter's still here. Look at this shit. Ah, man. The snowstorm actually happened. Damn it. Oh my god. Am I gonna be ready to move outdoors in a month? Stuff like this makes me doubt it. Let's see though. That shit. Oh, time to go home. Hello guys, I'm sitting here with my friend. He was one of the guys I met at the train station where I was given 100 krona. We've just been sitting here all day hanging out. I traded the MacBook for this PC, and for the past few hours I've just been sitting here. I've been turning this Windows 11 into what essentially functions like Windows 7 for the most part, or Windows 10. It's kind of difficult to get it to this point. It takes a little while, but I like this. This is good. Good old times. Yeah, we've just been smoking a bunch of cigarettes, drinking soda, and the moment he entered the door, I was basically already done making sushi. I made the rolls with the tempura shrimp, but I also made some with the fried chicken as well. I think those were actually even better. But yeah, as you can see, he hasn't really eaten that much, and this is how much I got left. You're not that hungry today, huh?
I'm super hungry.
Yeah, well, you got food.
Yep.
Eat it before I do. Alright guys, check it out. I'm chilling out with some sushi, celebrating, having set up the PC fully. Everything is to my liking. And he's still busy setting up Linux. Yeah, he's just like I was.
Well, keep mad though.
Just a little while ago, just deep in there. Doesn't want to stop until he's fully finished, until it's to his liking. I completely get it. Oh, it's been nice. Just talking and fixing computers today. I'm gonna be sleeping here on my double mat setup, thanks to Dion leaving this one behind. And now I can talk to Stony while recording these clips, so he actually gets to listen to the clips as they're being recorded. He's listening right now.